If SketchUp is not loading, freezing on launch, or showing a BugSplat error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get SketchUp opening again as quickly as possible. This is especially helpful if SketchUp was working before but now it suddenly refuses to start, crashes during loading, or gets stuck because of a plugin, graphics driver, cache issue, or security software. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more software tutorials, and let's get right into the fix. First, let's talk about plugins, because this is one of the most common reasons SketchUp stops loading properly. If you see a BugSplat error or SketchUp crashes during startup, a recent extension is often the cause. To test this, open File Explorer and go to C Drive, then Users, then your username, then App Data, then Roaming, then SketchUp, then your version number, then SketchUp, and finally the Plugins folder. In that folder, look for any recently added plugin files or extensions you installed before the problem started. Remove those recent plugin files, then try launching SketchUp again. If SketchUp opens normally after that, you found the issue, and you can narrow it down by adding the plugins back one at a time later if needed. If SketchUp is still not loading, the next thing to do is repair the installation. Close SketchUp completely if it is still open in the background. Then find the original SketchUp installation file, the .exe installer you used when you installed the program. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. When the installer opens, look for the repair option and select it. This will check the program files and fix damaged or missing components without forcing you to start over from scratch. Once the repair finishes, restart your computer and try opening SketchUp again. Now, if SketchUp launches but crashes because of graphics-related issues, the problem may be your graphics driver. Outdated or incompatible graphics drivers can absolutely prevent SketchUp from starting, especially after Windows updates or new software changes. Open your computer's device manager or go directly to your graphics card manufacturer's website such as Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, and make sure your driver is fully up to date. Download and install the latest recommended driver for your system, then reboot your computer. After that, test SketchUp again and see if the loading problem is gone. Another common issue is when SketchUp loads online content badly, especially web tools or 3D warehouse content, and you start seeing 404 errors or blank pages. In that case, you should clear the WebCache folder. Close SketchUp first, then go back into your SketchUp user folders and look for any cache-related files tied to web content. Deleting the WebCache data can help force SketchUp to rebuild fresh browser data the next time it starts. Also, check your firewall settings to make sure SketchUp is allowed to connect to the internet. Sometimes a firewall or security rule blocks the web tools from loading properly, which can make it seem like SketchUp itself is broken. And finally, if none of that works, reboot your computer and check your security software. A simple restart can unlock files that were being held open in the background and clear temporary issues that stop SketchUp from launching correctly. After restarting, make sure your antivirus or security program is not blocking SketchUp or quarantining one of its files. If needed, add SketchUp to the allowed apps or exceptions list, then try opening it again. So just to recap, check for plugin conflicts, repair the installation, update your graphics driver, clear the web cache if you're getting loading or 404 errors, and reboot while making sure your security software is not blocking the app. These steps solve most SketchUp not loading problems without needing a full reinstall. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Fix-It videos, and I'll see you in the next one.